Okay.
So,
Now we have Provo versus Lucimp. So what can we say about this matchup and also
okay,
about
we
these
see the
two
Kazuya.
persons?
And he already has Turia.
Yes, already he's not laughing.
No, he's really not laughing.
I
Like,
see also the internet from Provo, which is not fast.
okay, got smashed. And now Pyra, can he get the down air spike? Of course, now JP knows how to.
What JP?
No, pulse. Sorry.
Whatever.
Ovo knows how to
back
delay
to the
his
match.
recovery. Okay, the grab against Kazuya. He's
So,
bold.
what can we say about this?
Okay. That's okay, and we are sure now. Not after this talk, Lucimp is like, "Rrrr." He's really not liking this character here.
He's not happy with what happened just now.
I mean Kazuya stuff, I guess. Ooh, nice forward.
And now I remember the word. What can we say about this set count, about these two persons?
Wow, he gets the footstool and now he just looks at it.
What?
The random F smash. Okay.
I think the set count is for Provo. No.
I think Bruno did not win. Like they have like it's like 7-0 or something. I think he has never gotten a Lucimp loss, and he also says that he's quite confident against Lucimp. And we see now the Gates of Hell against Paramilfa. It's really good. Gates of Hell? Yes, I think.
No, it's not Gates of Hell. It's the Demon Blades.
No, didn't he do?
Oh,
nice. He's really
just
not
taking
laughing.
the quick path. He's just.
JP is not laughing. He takes his championship very seriously. He's not. He's not letting the stove burn. Brennt nichts an, lässt nichts anbrennen.
I see. That was what you were talking about. Yeah, so we see GP.
I mean, how long was this match? Like 1 minute? And I'm sure Lucimp is really groaning.
Yeah, I also can imagine that he's not quite happy. So I watched when I started recording and it was 2 minutes, so that match passed pretty fast.
That's crazy.
I think
now next game.
Yeah, if
this
he
is
plays
only
this
a best
well
of
again,
3.
If he plays this well again, it will also get. But I think Kazuya matches are always pretty short. What is he doing? Okay.
He's crazy. Up there, grenade, forward smash.
That was
he
crazy.
got
It was a nice try, but Ovo is so through.
He's really not laughing. I mean, I think he's very serious right now.
I can imagine how he's also.
He's without headset, locked in, without a solar crowd. He's really good.
What? Wait. Back to the match. Anyways. Okay.
The lead for Lucimp. I think he got his.
Lucimp has a small lead, but we know if Kazuya having a lead doesn't mean anything because.
No back here. Yeah, I mean Kazuya can just win this by doing absolutely nothing.
I think yes.
Will he come back? No. Okay, now it's looking very even. I mean, with Kazuya, the whole match is even. Like he can.
Yeah, pretty much.
Even though you are 2 stocks ahead, you can
just have a lead against Kazuya.
Okay, we see the average ages stuff on the ledge, charging neutral B. Provo is just chilling. He's like, oh, I don't have to do normal gather. So
it's just
the downer into up smash, not connecting. Unfortunately, again the forward smash. He's really on point with those.
But I don't know. Now he has really to find the combo because else it won't be that. I think he's still playing Kazuya, but I don't know. He also has to find a star.
He got the forward smash. He missed the fair.
Very
good recovery from JP.
Yeah, that was.
Whoa! He was. What the hell? I think he pushed him like a bit to the front by inputting his down smash.
Yeah, maybe he jumped at that moment because I think he did a short. I'm not sure, but.
Really? But he was.
I don't know because it was pretty weird. He was still on the flat.
Yeah.
But maybe he pushed him.
Electric. Oh, davor der?
Yeah, and we
Okay,
see
he wanted the smoke.
like we said
will he
already,
get the
Kaze,
expert,
yeah, lead with Kaze is really lead against Kaze is really not. It's not that deep.
Will he get the down air? Is the question.
I think he didn't
What?
had up B.
Damn. Okay.
I don't know.
Second game goes to Lucimp.
Yeah, we see here Lucimp taking second game. Now we go to
Maybe the last game will be on FD.
and maybe there Provo won't be laughing anymore. I think now he's not chill anymore. He's not.
You know, I think he's locked in now.
Now he's not anymore like. Now he's a bit angry.
He's grumbling.
Yeah, whatever. Okay, so
So we get again Battlefield. I'm not sure if they just said let's go Battlefield, but
I don't know
the grab, don't electric.
And if it's random, it's fine, I guess.
Yes, Smash, bro. This does not look. Ooh.
Forward going to dash.
Ooh. Ooh. Nice forward tilt. Ooh. He wanted the gates of hell. Oh, nice forward tilt or input tilt. I don't know how it's called.
Oh, okay. He was not laughing there.
Okay. And we see the Pinto Wi-Fi strikes again.
Yeah, the Wi-Fi.
Oh.
It's doing some damage here.
Ooh, he's just like shielding. Oh,
And
nice.
again,
Will this
don't
go?
be. Is that?
Okay.
Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, good. The eye from
Ooh, okay.
Lucimp. Okay, he's crazy.
Okay, was
Just
trying
up
to
here.
catch him with that T.
No up B. Ooh,
Yes,
nice recovery from Provo.
that's pretty thing.
He's at 160% against Kazuya. That's crazy.
That's pretty thing.
In my opinion, everything kills now.
Yeah, pretty much. Even that.
Okay, he wanted to down B, but ooh, okay, nice recovery. Ah, yeah,
No,
yeah,
he's
the
fine,
jump.
he's fine. Okay, now
He has the gates of no, not how is this called? The
he's
rage.
switching-
Yeah, rage,
he's still
Nice.
using rage. Yeah, why not? Okay.
Okay, now Provo has the lead. Last time when he had the lead, he was winning. So okay, the down throw, electric, but he is
always
really
trying
is
to
dying
get
really
these
well,
goals.
not going to the platform. Nice.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Because L's
How did it not grab?
plan on the
Crazy.
plan from. You see the up pass, and you see,
Oh, he's not air dodging. He's really.
Yeah, Provo didn't want to air dodge. I don't know what his plan was, but well, now he's getting comboed again with the It's a classic.
Is it true? This F smash.
I don't know. It looked pretty weird. Never saw it.
Oh, he wanted to
What
kill
was he
himself.
What was he trying?
He's cooking, I guess. Or Bruno wanted to FD. I don't know. Someone.
I don't
This
know.
doesn't look good. Yes, this killed. And I'm sure Bruno is like, oh, it's DLC.
I think he's not happy.
He's really not happy. I mean, I can understand. Kazuya is frustrating to play against.
Yeah, I think Steve is even more frustrated against Kaze. It's just his stuff, but you just
It's
don't
really
have
like
to get touched. Just don't touch him and it's fine, but
if you touch him, you get touched inappropriately. Oh,
whatever.
oh, the shield, no shield. Oh, he's dead.
No, I think he's he's gone. He's gone. Okay, he's still there.
Okay, crazy, he's still there.
Yeah,
He's crazy, he's crazy. Up there. Back air. Oh, he does not kill crazy. And he's just like back air. He's crazy. He just one
Now
up smash and he's dead. Oh, he's dead.
Nice.
He's dead. Very well played from both players. He didn't even get Kazuya in my opinion. Like he was like
Not
very
really.
honest.
It was quite even. Yeah.
Yeah.